Okay, this is the USGS website. It's a new website. Thought it'd be beneficial for some people to see this. You can customize it for 7, 30 days, 1 year, or you can customize it so you can see the graph of the flow and the height of the gauge. One thing that's pretty neat about this is you can change right here. You can slide this slide and change your plot point so you can see exactly the height of the river at that time and that date. You can also drag these handles right here and then just look at the days you want to look at by dragging the handles. If you want to compare data from this year to last year, here's last year's data and how the river ran, and this gives you an idea of the normal flow of the river when you're trying to determine the height of the river and the flow of the river, whether it's safe or not. You can also subscribe right here to either gauge height, discharge, and other features. And if you push the subscribe button, you'll be able to get an email or a text when the river's at a certain height. You can do a greater than or a less than, and you can also gauge it to how many times you get a text, how once a day, hourly, this type of thing. But you can see when the river's at a low height or at a height greater than a height, so that you can be warned when it goes over a certain level. I think the neatest feature about this whole thing is this map. One thing that's really great about the map is right here it says gauge height right now is at 4, and you can increase the gauge height by sliding this slide, and when you do that, it shows you where the water level will be and how much it will flood at these different gauge heights right here. So you watch right here and you can see the water flow. You can also find other gauges to your favorite rivers by just scrolling out and sliding over, and then all the different gauges will pop up, and then you just have to touch that gauge, and now you can see that gauge. So this is the new USGS website.